Hello, it's Lola. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do no makeup. It's a makeup that looks like you're not really wearing a makeup, but you look flawless. So since it has to look like you're not wearing a makeup, we're going to apply like really thin layer of makeup. So that means the skincare before wearing the makeup is really important for this makeup. So it actually is really important that you keep up with your own skincare routine every day. But even if you're not good at keeping up with your skincare routine every day, if you have enough of time, I really recommend you to take some time to do this skincare thing before you try this makeup because it actually makes a huge change. So I am going to start with this lifting mask from Pepless. I've been using this for like once a week for like it's about my third week, and I like it not just because it lifts your skin, but the skin condition after doing this pack is really amazing. This looks full. Feels really good. So what I really recommend is at least do a mask pack before doing this makeup so that your skin is really moisturized and it's been purified. So I would say at least clay type of mask would work. It feels really good. And next, toner. It's a spray toner I actually stole from my mom. It's Cell Miracle Essence Toner. It's a spray type, so I figured that it's really convenient. You can just spray it and just tap it on your face. And I'll use niacinamide serum. Make sure not to rush when you're using several different skincare products at the same time, and try to press this with your hands so that'll help the skin absorb the product before proceeding the next one. And this is hyaluronic acid 100. It's 100% hyaluronic acid. I actually got this from Amazon and it is a Korean product as well. So just a couple of drops. And I'll be using this repair cream that I actually got with that hyaluronic acid. So it actually is from the same company. It's Korean product. It says whitening, lifting. So it's kind of Konglish. They always say whitening for the brightening. So anytime you see whitening on the package on Korean product, it actually means brightening. And for the last, aqua cream. Supposed to be a moisturizer. It has the function of soothing and controlling the sebum. Going to be my last step of my skincare for today. I actually like to add a process of applying the sheet mask right after the mask pack, but I didn't add the sheet mask today because I don't have enough of time. But just make sure to apply reasonable skincare product before heading to this no makeup because your foundation is really important for that look. Okay, now I'll go to my room and get changed. So I got changed. And let me start with this lip balm because since I am going to go super light on the makeup and colors, make sure to have the lips get moistened as well. And the foundation, I am going to use a BB cream because BB cream gives more natural look than the foundation, and it also has the UV protection. And it actually is really important to pick the BB cream or the foundation that is really similar to your original skin tone, simply because it has to look like you didn't wear any makeup, right? And rub your hands, create some heat, and press the face. Okay, and for eyes, curl your lashes. But I'm not going to use any mascara because it has to look natural. And for eyeline, I am using this super thin eyebrow liner from Clinique. It doesn't have to be a brow pencil. The reason I'm using this for this makeup is because of its color. Because brown looks a bit more natural than using the black liner. So the point is that pick the brown color that goes with your skin tone and that kind of looks like a darker shade of your skin tone. So I'm going to draw a thin outline with this one. Okay. And then eyebrows. So that it kind of looks like it is just your natural eyebrows. It doesn't look like you draw with a pencil. Okay, we're almost done. The lips. So pick a color that has strong pigment, like a red and fuchsia. So here I am using the MAC Fusion Red. It's a really strong red. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap a bit of inner side of my lips, just like that, and then going to blend and spread it with my finger. You see the difference with the upper lip and the lower lip. Just a few tap and just blend it so that it doesn't look like you are wearing a lipstick, but the color of your lips look lively. Okay. And blusher. I'm going to use the same lipstick and just going to tap with my finger lightly like this. And it has about this amount. And tap, tap, tap. Okay, done. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.